So big.
Jane, can you put on your shoe? You can do it.
As the waterfalls comes out of the cup. The water is turning into
You got your toe in.
waterfall.
Good job, baby. Yeah, she found these, you know, very old shoes and trying to put them on. It's not working out so good.
That's the waterfall.
Jane, can you look at me? Yeah? I want to hear you talk a little bit. Focusing on shoes. Hey, Dean, how about you? You want to talk a little bit? Hey. Dean put a ribbon in the microwave that had wire on it, and I didn't see it. And we nearly blew up the house. Oh, you are so funny. Okay, bye-bye.